Welcome to 12 Bikes!
Welcome!
Yun guys, bike check ulit tayo. So kasama natin si Sir
Joms.
Sir Joms. No?
Hello.
Si Sir Joms, isa sa mga masugid natin na client dito kasi actually nanalo nga, parang first time mo ba sir nanalo ng mga paraffle natin?
First time,
no?
First time.
So iba-bike check natin yung bike niya. So mukhang merong bago eh.
Yeah, merong bago. Well, actually, I started off siguro mga last year. So, siyempre, ako from around here, Muntinlupa. So, nakita namin itong 12 bikes, no? So, I would say, ito na yung local bike shop natin na trusted with regards to parts, services, etc. So, kaya kami lagi nandito. So, when I built the bike...
Nabudol ba?
Oo, nabudol actually. I was doing a hardtail before, pero binild ko, pinalitan ko lahat. Most of the components I got here from 12 Bikes.
Wow.
So, siguro, yan na natin yung mga components na coming from 12 Bikes. So, Ergon. Ergon seat, the problem before, I'm 43 years old. So, medyo masakit yung likod ko.
Anong dati mong gamit?
Stock ng Merida.
Stock ng Merida.
So, una-una kong pinalitan dito, punta akong 12 Bikes, sabi ko, sakit yung likod ko. They're very,
I remember that. Si Dada ang
Actually, that's, segue ko. Yun ang maganda sa kanila. They would advise you kung ano yung dapat mong i-upgrade. You know, actually, isa nagustuhan ko sa kanila dito, no? Hindi sila yung hard sell kasi dahil ganito lang, no? Etc.
Pero budol na rin.
Budol na rin. But they will suggest to you kung ano bang pain point mo in terms of, you know, the parts that you have. So, una ko in-upgrade, Ergon na SM Enduro Comp.
Oh, nice.
So, ano siya, all slick rails. So, ito talaga, pinasukat sa akin to. Kung ano yung width nung ano mo, seat bones mo. Then, the next upgrade that I did is rental na 35.
Wow.
Millimeter, tapos pinaputulan ko dito ng 750. Then combination of rental stem also. I also got sa 12 bikes yung SDG pedals natin. So may pin siya, replaceable pins. Actually more than a year na ito. Napan trails, wala. As in talagang maganda yung composite build ni SDG. What else? Actually, ito. Fox 34 na 140. So, I also got this from 12 Bikes nung sale nila. As in, sulit. As in, I mean, hindi naman ako yung tipong hard enduro downhill rider. I just love yung, doing trail bike. So, I opted to do short travels. 130, 140. It's good enough for me. So, yung occasional na, like for example, kanina, we're doing road, punta kami ng Imus sa Victoria, then back here, tapos, casual trails, but yun yung trip ko at love ko pagdating sa mountain biking. Next upgrade, I would say, probably dito, gusto ko palitan, meron silang Sunringal Duroc 35. So eventually, pagka nagka-budget.
SD37 meron tayo.
SD37.
SD37 ng Duroc.
Yeah.
And SD42 kung medyo gusto mo mas malapad. Pero highly recommended siguro yung SD37.
37.
Oo.
Then kaya rin ako nagpunta dito, gusto ko tignan yung grips nila ng SDG. Napatambay. Pero nakita na bagong dating na SDG components and parts para terno sa pedal. So yeah, I think that's it. Yun yung natin.
Upgrades. So pero yung frame mo is a
Trek top fuel. Trek top fuel na small. Kapag nakita mo nga, ang weird parang ganun yung niya. Kasi maliit ako I'm only 5'4". So kaya medyo may parang kudlit na ganun.
Tapos naka 12 speed, right?
12 speed na M6100 plus 4 piston brake ng Diore as well. So yun,
nice.
So far yun. Eventually siguro pagka yan, punta-punta dito, anong makita, and yun.
Maganda rin i-upgrade sa'yo for the next na upgrade mo is yung
dropper post.
We have SDG, yung version 2.
Version 2.
Okay din yun, magaan siya and magiging match siya ng kung magpapalit ka ng grip.
Yeah.
SDG.
Let's see. Budol na naman to. Alright, so...
Sir Joms, tanong ko lang, ano ba yung mga pinagkakaabalan mo ngayon? Maliban sa bike? Work? May negosyo ka ba? Anong...
Work. I mean IT, actually.
Nice.
I'm doing project management. Pinagkakabalahan, family, and yun, biking. Lalo na ngayon, holiday. So, half day, wala ako sa bahay. So, it relieves you in terms of, you know, kasi it's just you in the road, in the trail. So, kaya sinusulit na yung holiday, Boss Rickson.
So, syempre, Philinvest Trail, nai-enjoy natin lahat yan eh.
Yeah.
Kahit yung mga taga rito sa Alabang, Sukat, Parañaque, no? Even yung mga tagalabas, let's say yung Calamba area, meron tayong from Calamba, dumadayo pa sila dito to Cavite, dumadayo pa sa Philinvest para subukan yung trail natin dito sa Philinvest. So yun lang guys. Thank you Sir Joms.
Yeah, thank you Boss Rickson.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bikes ha.